In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can transfer money instantly to Nigeria. To achieve this, we are going to be using the Remitly mobile app. You can download it from the App Store or the Play Store. Now when you download the app, all you need to do is select Join Now, specify the country you're sending from and the country you're sending to, and then select Next. You'll be required to provide your email address and a password for your account. The link is in the description of this video that you can use to download the mobile app. I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in. So once you're successfully registered and logged in, you're going to select Get Started, specify the amount of money that you want to send. It shows you how much the recipient will receive, and you can choose between Express or Economy for delivery speed, and then select Continue. Then choose your delivery method. You can choose between a bank deposit or a cash pickup. Now the cash pickup is pretty much instant, right? Then select Continue. Select the cash pickup location, specify the recipient's name, and then select Continue. Specify the recipient's city, and then select Continue. Here you can enter a phone number for the recipient. However, I'm just going to select Skip because it's not required. Specify a reason for sending the money and then select Continue. Now on this page, all you need to do is provide your payment method. My card is already linked, so I'm going to select my debit card. And you're all set to send your money. However, I don't want to make a transfer at this point in time. I just wanted to share with you how you could achieve this. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.